Hi guys, today Will and me, we're going to finish winterizing fishing boat. It's got a 125 Mercury on it. There's already a video out there on changing the lower unit gear case oil. And today we're going to add marine stabilizer to the fuel and run the motor for about 10 minutes to run it through the system. And then we're going to fog the engine as well. And that's what Will has there. So we're going to make a quick video about it. Get started right now. Okay, for this we need 1 ounce of stabilizer for 10 gallons of fuel. It's at least a 30-gallon tank. So I added the 3 ounces of the marine ethanol treatment stabilizer. I'm going to run just a little more fuel in there. Just to make sure it washes through the system and into the tank. Alright. And that wasn't more than, I don't know, a couple of pints. Alright, so we got our, I don't know what they're, some ears, some kind of water ears. The hose is connected to it. Oh, you want to go turn the water on quick? Yeah. I'm going to take the cover off. Okay, you can see the water running down there. So I'm going to climb up in there and get the boat started.
Me?
Thank you. So this is the first time I've done this myself, but from what I've researched, you're supposed to spray the fogger in until it kills the engine. So that's what we did. Now we got to put everything back together. Go shut the water off. Alright, so we're gonna take out each one of the plugs. And spray a little fogger in each cylinder from this side. Now, I don't know that this is absolutely necessary. Because we sprayed the intake. But the last time I had this winterized a couple years ago, the guy that did it said the shop I took it to said they sprayed in each one of the cylinders as well. So I'm just going to do it. I'll put that in. There you go. We'll tighten those down. Just if you undo them all at the same time, make sure you know what order the plug wires go back in. Mine are secure there, so it's hard to screw up, but make sure you have them labeled or numbered or they're separated like that. We're not over tightening these. You don't want to break them off. There you go. That's winterizing the motor. We're done. We'll put it all back together, and thanks for watching. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hook the batteries up so they're on a maintainer for the winter. That way I don't have to take the batteries out, otherwise they would freeze here. So I don't have to take the batteries out of the boat. They're all on maintainers. I just plug it in and good to go. I'll show you what that looks like. So in this compartment there are maintainers. This is a maintainer. That's the trolling motor system maintainer. And there's a battery maintainer. So this one maintains the garden battery that's right here, garden tractor battery. And that runs a live well aerator. That might be all that runs actually, so it can run 24 hours and not have to worry about killing the system. And all you have to do then is have them all plugged in one place. The end of the plug-in is right over there, and I plug them into an outlet, and we're good to go for the winter. So I'll do that and button the boat up, be done for the winter. Okay, this is another little, I don't know if you call it a trick, but a little thing I do. I buy the female end, cut it off, seal it up, and cover this. If you own trailers or boats, you know every spring when you go to haul it, these things get a little corroded and the lights never work right. Since I've done this, which has been several years now, I haven't had near the problems with lights working when I hook them up. If there is a problem, it's generally not this anymore, and this used to be an issue. So I don't know what one of these costs, but for $7-8 it saves a lot of hassle in the spring. Anyways, just a little tidbit.